my 997. This is a remake of the video that I made years ago when I first got the car. I'm gonna review it and I'll probably cringe. This is a year, November, end of November, 2019. Hey, yeah, it started right up, but it doesn't blow smoke.
It just starts right up.
It just starts right up. Oh yeah. Oh, the bumper. Oh yeah. I was able to get the bumper off pretty easy. There's a few screws in the wheel well, the screws that go under the trunk lid, the screws that go under the bottom of the car. Gotta undo the air sensor or temperature sensor and the washer sprayer, because the car's got a water sprayer, and you gotta undo the turn signal light plug. And I'm reaching in and I'm grabbing the radiator fan, and they're stuck. They don't spin. Oh god, oh yeah, the peanut butter. Oh man. The car had a bad intermix. I'm assuming I got the radiator off already, or I just disconnected the hose and it just glopped all over the place. Oh, yeah. So I tried flushing the car a couple times, filling it up with just water and soap, and nothing worked. Oh, and I ordered like these aluminum racing radiators for this car, and when they came, they were for a 996 versus a 997, and I was bummed. Oh yeah. So they didn't bolt up, they didn't fit. Oh, I was so bummed. Yeah, I went through all that effort. The old radiators actually broke on the way out because they're plastic. Or one of them did. But they're filled with brown caramel peanut butter dog doo-doo. But I'm pointing out that the aluminum one on a 996, there's tabs on the left and right, and it's suspended in the little carriage that way. On the 997, there's actually a lower bar that they slide into, and they're mounted top and bottom. So I was bummed. And I had to order a new pair of radiators. I ordered OEM style, which was kind of a bummer because I wanted the racing ones and it was hard to get them. But I just ordered new OEM ones. And then I was weirded out about the radiator fan. Yeah. Oh yeah. I thought maybe the fans are broken. So that's the whole cooling fan assembly off the 997. That's all the parts. Look, the bumper, the new radiator, some of the parts. That's my back deck. Oh yeah, and the fans, when they first spun, they had like debris in it, so they were grinding. But if I wiggled it back and forth enough, it did spin. And then that looks like an RC car battery. 7.2 or 7.4 volt. I think that one looks like a LiPo, I'm not sure. Or maybe it's a NiCad. I would probably use a NiCad because there's less chance of it going bad. But even though I know that the car uses 12 volts, that battery should be enough to push it because the fans usually do 2-speed. Oh yeah, see, and the fans worked. I didn't have to buy new fans. I later discovered that there's a control module under the fender, and I had to replace that. It's this little box, and I bought that. I used one off of the recycler for $100. Yeah, so I tested both fans, but when you first started them up, they made a grinding sound like they had sand or something like that, debris in it. Years later, when I was autocrossing the car, the same thing happened. You know, because it was a gravelly day and I was driving really hard. And so even though they have these slots to prevent debris from going straight in, but if you have the wheels turned pretty sharp and you're going quick, it can throw debris in there. If you're going fast, it can get in there and interfere with the fans, and I had that happen to me. Actually, on 2 other occasions, not just this first time. So it's a design flaw, I guess, of some form. That was a sad day, actually. And this is all before COVID. Look, I'm all skinny. My hair's short. I don't look tired. Oh, there. My frustration with the shipping. Yeah, because in Hawaii, they charge so much to ship anything. So I paid I forget how much I bought those aluminum radiators for, but I couldn't use them, and the guy wanted me to ship them back. And I'm like, shipping them back's like another $300. I'm not going to do that. And you sent me the wrong radiators. So that was a bummer. Wait. It's the RC car room. Am I going to go for a drive? Ah, the white Porsche on the way to Haleiwa. So yeah, let me see. Is there a view that shows how many miles are on the car? This is years ago. I probably have like 5,000 miles on the car. I don't know. Let's just drive down to the North Shore. Where are we going? This Haleiwa. Oh, look, it's an empty day. There's no one in Haleiwa. Oh, and that's how it ended? Oh, no wonder there's videos. I need to fix them all. It was a good video. Thank you very much for watching. Aloha. Till the next one. Bye.